Welcome to the version of XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I set up my fingerprint here to the scanner on the power key button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see does this unlock method works and how fast is it. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the fingerprint scanner works here really fast. So I just simply touch the power key button. I just start pressing it. I just simply touch it like hop. So we can see that works so fast. Just in less than 1 second we can unlock the device. And I just suggest you to try this unlock method. For example, if you don't like some unlock methods like the PIN codes or passcode, you can use the fingerprints here, but don't forget that the this fingerprint is less secure than PIN codes or passcodes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.